And if you're just tuning in, welcome back. You're listening to the Weekend Edition with Erin Molly on 2GB. We've had a lot of calls come in recently about security, and people are really quite passionate about their internet safety. Well, since the compulsory enrolment of Australians having their health data put up on an online site called My Health Record, I think it's clear to say that Australians are definitely growing more worried about this issue. Well, today we're joined by Minister of Health Greg Hunt to tell us a little bit more about why we shouldn't be worried and how the government plans on keeping our information safe. Welcome, Greg.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Now, for those of us who haven't heard much about it, can you tell us what My Health Record is?
Yeah, so My Health Record is essentially an online database which displays key summaries of our health information. Both you and your healthcare professionals have access to this. You have complete control over who can access and see your information, and you can also add all your key health information like allergies. So doctors can accurately see all information without going through accessible records. My Health Record is foremost to benefit you and healthcare professionals.
I know with the internet, I always find myself getting a little scared about my information getting hacked. Why should Australians not be worried about this?
Australians shouldn't be worried because it's all protected by a secure database. The government is currently working at making it even more secure than it was to increase Australia's trust in the system. I truly believe that it's the future of Australian healthcare and is most definitely shouldn't be something that people are scared of. The government has already installed multiple backup systems to ensure that your healthcare information is fully guarded.
Now, Mr. Hunt, I'm going to be honest, I really didn't see much about My Health Record. It wasn't until the stir about the first opt-out period that I even realised what was really going on.
Well, yes, we are actively advertising and promoting the opt-out period, as well as providing information about it across Twitter, public transport, and across multiple government websites. I know that there was a large stir when people realised that the opt-out period was so close, but it really shouldn't have been too much of an issue. As users, you have complete availability and access to remove any and all data when you like. You also have the option to disable your account if you wish so.
How hard is it to disable your account?
It's not as hard as you think. There's a simple 9-step process that you need to follow, but it is outlined on the My Health Record website. And if you're a parent and you're worried about your child's accounts, you also have the option to easily delete the account. All information is deleted as soon as you wish, as long as you have a representative as a backup to store your information.
Why is My Health Record important?
Well, pretty much. All of your privacy is in one easy access location. It really is for the benefit of the Australian public. As I mentioned earlier, everything is fully safeguarded by systems installed by the Australian government. There are countless benefits that come from having a profile, like emergency systems being able to get you the most efficient solution and treatment as possible. I truly believe that this is where the future of Australian healthcare lies.
That was the Health Minister, Mr. Greg Hunt, joining us today to speak all about My Health Record and why we shouldn't be worried as Australians to put our information into these secure hands. Mr. Hunt, I thank you for joining us today and wish you all the well for your future.
Thanks for having me.